Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys a hair mask which is made out of flax seeds and rice. Flax seeds or linseeds is a wonderful source of vitamin B which helps hair to grow stronger and healthier. It has omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. Flaxseed gel, when applied to hair from root to tip, nourishes your hair, moisturizes and gives elasticity to the hair, which efficiently repairs hair breakage. Other than vitamin B, E and omega-3 fatty acids, flax seeds also have magnesium, manganese, selenium, which help to treat the scalp, prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. Rice is being used from years to improve hair. Boiled rice water is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, flavonoids and phenolic compounds. It detangles the hair, makes hair smoother, increases shine, makes hair stronger, helps hair grow long. It also improves the elasticity of the hair and makes it look fuller. Drinking a glass full of cooked rice water can help in improving digestion, relieves constipation and can prevent several ailments. It gives your body ample energy to stay active throughout the day. Now, without any further delay, let us make the mask using flax seeds gel and boiled rice water, which help you improve your hair condition. First, we have to wash rice and flax seeds. We don't want to put the dirt and mud onto our hair, isn't it? Add water to the flax seeds and put it on the flame to extract gel from it. Also add water to the rice and put it on the flame to extract starch from it. Now take another bowl and add flaxseed gel and also the boiled rice water into the bowl. Now mix both together properly. A very simple and easy hair mask is ready. Now transfer the whole content into a spray bottle. Okay, that's all for today. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and do follow Ideas My Style. Bye.